Hello and welcome. Today we want to talk about the anatomical structure of the hoof capsule and the appearance of an overall healthy hoof. Whenever we enter a dialogue with owners, colleagues or veterinarians about a treatment or a certain approach, it is crucial to be able to define and locate the different parts of a hoof in a clear way.
Overall, the segments of a hoof capsule serve two main purposes: protecting the surrounded and enclosed structures such as the podotrochlea, the distal interphalangeal joint and many more from mechanical, thermal or biochemical exposure, and absorbing, transferring and distributing the pressure forces that affect the hoof from the in and outside. Therefore, the hoof should match the individual horse in its dimensions. In a healthy hoof, all wall segments will proceed in a straight and even line from the coronet towards the weight-bearing margin. The horny capsule shows no damages and the proximal third is coated with a thin glossy layer. Rings or shallow ridges that run parallel with the coronet can build an exception. Often they can be found in identical height on at least one more hoof and indicate fluctuations in the nutrition supply or other management changes. Irregular shaped rings, on the other hand, are usually a sign of diseases affecting the hoof. When examined from the side, the coronet runs in a steady downward oriented arc from the dorsal aspect of the hoof towards the bulbs. Also, the line the dorsal wall and the heels create run parallel. The solear plane should show a certain concavity according to the individual hoof shape. Furthermore, the frog should be strongly developed and divide the surface into two roughly equal parts. The frog horn should show no damages or loose horn parts, and the central and collateral frog clefts should be dry and easy to recognize. The most basic division of a hoof capsule would be into a hoof wall, which originates at the coronary dermis beneath the hairline of the coronet and ending at the weight-bearing surface, along with a basis. The hoof basis is framed by the weight-bearing margin along with the bars. It is comprised of a sole horn with its main body and two branches, the converging frog horn, which meets at the apex of the frog, and a transitional area at the frog's caudal basis, where frog turns into bulb horn, which completes the hoof capsule. The hoof wall can then again be divided into a forequarter, commonly called toe or dorsal wall, the lateral walls, and the deformable heels, which turn into the bar at the buttresses of the heel.
This list can be continued with another multitude of factors concerning different theories or your own experience, but for now this should suffice. Deviations from this optimal build of a hoof capsule caused by malformations of a limb or certain diseases can result in irregular hoof shapes, such as flat, steep, narrow, wide or diagonal hoofs. We will talk about different reasons and its effect on the pressure force distribution in our upcoming chapters. Thank you for your attention and interest.